Book of Heaven, Volume 12, January 10th, 1921. The Fiat Mihi of the Most Holy Virgin. God wants a second yes in his will. The Fiat of Luisa. I was concerned about what is written above and was saying to myself, I don't know what Jesus wants from me, yet he knows how bad I am and how I am good at nothing. And Jesus, moving in my interior, told me,
My daughter, remember that years ago I asked you whether you wanted to live life in my will. And since I wanted you in my will, I wanted you to pronounce your yes in my own will. This yes was bound to an eternal point and to a will that will have no end. This yes is in the center of my volition and is surrounded by infinite immensity, and if it wants to get out, it almost cannot find the way. Therefore, at your little oppositions, at some discontent of yours, I laugh and I amuse myself, seeing you like those people who are bound of their own will in the depth of the sea, and wanting to get out, they find nothing but water. And since they are bound in the depth of the sea, they feel the bother of wanting to get out, and in order to remain tranquil and happy, they plunge themselves even more into the depths of the sea. In the same way, in seeing you perplexed, as though wanting to get out, and unable to do so, bound by your own yes, you plunge yourself even more into the depths of my will. I laugh, and I amuse myself. And then, do you think it is something trivial and easy to move from within my will? You would move an eternal point, and if you knew what it means to move an eternal point, you would tremble with fright.
Then he added,
The first yes in my fiat I asked of my dear Mama, and oh, power of her fiat in my will. As soon as the divine fiat met with the fiat of my Mama, the two became one. My fiat raised her, divinized her, overshadowed her, and without human intervention, she conceived me, Son of God. Only in my fiat could she conceive me. My fiat communicated to her the immensity, the infinity, the fecundity, in a divine manner. And this is why the immense, the eternal, the infinite one could be conceived in her. As soon as she said Fiat Mihi, not only did she take possession of me, but she overshadowed all creatures, all created things together. She felt all the lives of creatures within herself, and from that moment she began to act as mother and queen of all. How many portents does this yes of my Mama not contain? If I wanted to tell them all, you would never finish hearing them. Now, a second yes in my will I asked of you, and you, though trembling, pronounced it. This yes in my volition will have its portents. It will have a divine fulfillment. You, follow me and sink deeper into the immense sea of my will, and I will take care of everything. My Mama did not think about how I would get to conceive myself in her. She only said Fiat Mihi, and I took care of the way in which to be conceived. So you will do.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.